Welcome to my channel. Today I go out with my friend. His name is Maciej. He's Polish. And of course, you know the drill. I'm gonna film the POV. And please make sure to subscribe. Actually, we are heading to the place called Renoma. There's a shopping center, and we are actually walking just randomly without any purposes. Maybe we can go somewhere, we can go that way, that kind of stuff. I've gone through this place so many times and I don't even notice this kind of like a construction sites, and I use it as like a framing people. Yeah. Actually, he's talking about his YouTube channel that went off recently. But I don't know. He doesn't have YouTube channel, I guess.
Sorry Maciej, but
I found this good fence, like kind of nice design, and at the beginning I was trying to take a picture of the fence, but actually I found out that there's a back of the fence. You can see through this renoma entrance, so I decided to kind of go around, just wait for people.
Someone will come? Sorry? Do you think that someone will come up?
I don't think so.
No?
But there are offices.
Ah, okay.
So
I mean, it would be nice.
well, maybe on a week, you know?
Yeah.
Around 5 or something like that.
I want to close that. We will come back later. We'll come back later then.
The reason why I'm kind of rushing to this other side of the road, because I'm seeing it kind of like advertisements on the renoma, and there's a nice source of the lights, and everyone like walk past this place looks like really contrasty. So I decided to kind of
ask Maciej to come over really quick.
as I talk about it, while we are crossing this other side of the road, there's a kind of a neon nice, probably this is cinema entrance. So we are heading there. I live here a really long time, but every time I go out for shooting, I discover like really small place, small path. It's really interesting, and yeah, although some people say that like if you live in some same city for a few years, you don't discover anything. But I highly doubt about those way of thinking.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Not being able to park this smart, you know? Ah, shit, it doesn't fit.
As Mache said,
Said this car driver is a delivery guy, and probably he was rushing to some things and pick up some food. Yeah.
Wait, actually, yeah, exactly here. Yeah, stay there, stay there. I want to take a picture of you. Yeah. Yeah, like that. I like it. I'm scratching your ear.
Yeah. Because you said, wait, it's okay, I'm just here, you know? Just like, yeah.
sorry Mache, I have to skip this. Your hero stories. Yeah, sorry.
Now we are heading to there's a Narodowe Forum Muziki, so this is like a music forum, and there's nearby the nightclub X Damon, and yeah, there's a place. Actually, I don't usually come here night because there are a bunch of like roller skaters, skateboarding. Yeah, kind of not safe place, and there's not that much enough light. But then I found this kind of nice light that creates this kind of shadow. So I mean, and also I was
With Mache, who practiced taekwondo for so many years, so I feel safe.
yeah, that's the one I wanted to take a picture for that day. What's up guys, thank you so much for watching for this video. One photo that I would love to show, but which is not in GoPro footage, is this one. And this photo was taken nearby Wrocław Opera place, and it was of course night. And
Before I met Maciej,
I took this photo, and the things that I like about this photo is that I mean, really contrasty photo. I mean, on purpose, because that's how I like it. And also the black and white, and the like recent like purpose of going out and taking picture. I mean, as a street photography, for me, is to have this kind of waiting in some place, and people are kind of getting into the frame and take a picture. And that's what I did in this picture. Fact, but also this simulation, the film simulation, this black and white. It's yeah, it's really creamy but also crisp at the same time. I guess that photo is photo of the day for this video. So yeah, that's end of it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Probably I will post something like this every week, so don't forget to come back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.